So hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Soji Gray, and as you guys already know, I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra for a while now. And as you also already know, or if you didn't know, I like to do a lot of customizations on my Android device. And so, as you'd expect, I customized the look of my home screen on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and that is what this video is about. I'll be sharing with you how I set it up and all the elements I used in setting this device up. As usual, I'll be sharing everything down in the description section, so make sure to head there if you want to get a particular element. So without talking so much, let's jump right in. So the launcher I'm using in this setup is the Launcher V2 launcher. I love it. It's simple, it's clean, no ads, and it's very fluid on this device. This time around, I decided to go for a wallpaper with a white background and some green leaves. I think it looks amazing and it really fits the setup. As you can see, most of the widgets are translucent, so I didn't want to have a dark wallpaper to hide that fact. So a white one really worked for me, as you can see here. So now let me talk about the widgets at the top. The widget at the top is from Flow KWGT and it's called Flow 010, and I love this widget. It has this really nice translucent look and you can customize it and actually put your name at the top. So as you can see, I have Hi Jason here. Also below that, if you do have any notifications, it's going to show the most recent one, and I like that as well. On the left side, it tells you the time and it also tells you the day and the date, which is pretty handy. I like that it has this gradients vibe, so you can actually tweak the gradients look if you want another color that you'd want to match the whole look of the setup. You can do so. So it's really cool. I love Flow KWGT. It's pretty new on the Play Store. It's going to be linked down below if you want to check it out. So now on the second layer, we have the Apple Music app, and more on the icon pack later. But beside that, we have a very nice widget from Sugar Cube's KWGT and it's called Sugar 72. Now this widget gives us a lot of information on all the stats of our device, and as you know, I'm someone who loves to have everything on the home screen rather than digging into the settings to find what I need to find, and I think this widget helps me accomplish that, and it looks really good as well. It has a translucent vibe and I love the green accent in there as well. So it gives you details like your remaining battery capacity, your remaining RAM, your remaining storage, and then if you're playing music, it's going to indicate that over there as well. So I really love this widget from Sugar Cube's KWGT. Moving on to the third layer, we have another widget from Flow KWGT and it's called Flow 030. I love this music widget. It has very nice rounded corners and I love curved widgets a lot, so this is one of my favorites. Also, it's very translucent, so when you're playing any music at all, it has this really nice gradient and very transparent look, which looks very nice on the setup. And beside that, I have the Chrome app, which is one of the apps I use a lot. So now on the fourth layer, I have two apps, Instagram and Gmail, and beside that I have another widget which is very similar to the calendar widget on iOS 14. So this was done to mimic iOS 14's calendar widget, and I think the person who designed it did a great job. So I found this widget on Reddit. I'm going to be linking it down below so that you can easily have access to it. So below that, I have 6 apps that I use a lot. So we have the phone app that I use for making calls, and Pocket Cast for listening to podcasts, Fiverr for doing some freelance gigs, Google Drive to have access to all my files, Google Fit because I'm trying to get fit within this period because I'm always home and you'd find me in bed most of the time, so having Google Fit and tracking your exercise and all that is a cool thing to have. And I like Snapchat as well because they still have amazing filters, so there you have it. And finally below that, I have a Google search bar from Nebiat KWGT, and this is widget 065. So when you click it, it opens Google search, which is very cool, and it lives at the bottom of the setup. The icon pack I'm using in this setup is from Enix Icon Pack. I love this icon pack. They have very unique looking icons and they are very colorful as well. This is an AMOLED display, and I mean all the icons look gorgeous on this display, and they have icons for most of my applications. So I mean, Enix is a no-brainer for me, and that's why I love it. So we've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching to the end. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. If you did enjoy this video, hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys in another one. Peace out.